Hey everybody, I want to show you the painting from my last video, which I think is one of my best pieces in quite a while. Um, I absolutely love everything about this piece. I mean, the cells are amazing, and there was zero silicone in this. So you can get cells like that with no silicone, and they are the white outline cells, which are the kind of cells that I like. Check out that area right there. So cool. So I am totally in love with this piece. It is a 10 by 20, and it will be put on Etsy once I varnish it. So if you want to call dibs, call dibs. Today I'm going to do another experiment of, I guess I'm calling it a reverse string pull, because usually I have the canvas one color and the strings in the other color. But I am going to do a dirty pour on this with the colors, and then the string will be white. And I'm just curious to see what will happen. And I'm going to use the same colors that I used in the pour I just showed you. So I've got Artist Love Green Yellow. Shake these up because they haven't been used quite a few days. Bright Aqua Green. Copper, Artist Loft brand, Artist Loft Turquoise, and yellow. And in that, I don't know if you could see it from the quick viewing I gave you, but this copper gave like a gorgeous kind of metallic sheen behind all of it. So it's not an overwhelming metallic. I'm trying to find a cup, that's why I was pausing. I'm like, I need something to pour. This is tiny, this is an 8 by 8. So, well, I'll just use this 5.5 ounce one. Yellow. Let's do turquoise next. Now the green yellow. The copper. The aqua green. And turquoise, and a little more copper. All drip down. You can see it dripping down the sides. so that, hopefully I can keep the string somewhat light. Let's see if the string's long enough. Yeah. I'm just filling this up with white, and I'm just going to dip the string in here. I know you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm dipping a string in a cup of paint, so it's pretty self-explanatory. I am going to dab it off onto my paper below. That's cool so far. Dip it again. And dab it off again, just so I don't have huge drips. Let's go like this. And I'm going lighter, skimming the top instead of so heavy. Because the fact that I went so heavy is why I got that. Because the string went underneath the other paint. Tilting it, just giving it this cool kind of cloudy look. So you will probably be watching this tomorrow, which is Monday. It is my baby's 18th birthday. Believe that. I can't believe I have adult children now. Don't really know how that happens so quickly. It's like they're little and you're tired and you're like, gosh, when are they going to be older? And then they're older and you're like, well, how the hell did that happen? And then, of course, I think I'm only like 25, so it physically confuses me how I could ever tell. Note to viewers, I am not actually 25, but in my head I am. I like this kind of right as it is, and there is not too much paint on the surface. Which, when I started to tilt it this way a little, it looked like there was a ton. But there is not. I can't even, like, sink that in. I'm really digging it. I honestly wasn't sure what would happen. But I love this. You know what? I better torch it before I start going all gaga over it. And the torching brought out the copper, because the copper's heavy, so now I've got all this copper coming up over here. But I love this like cloudy area, and then you still get kind of the, like traditional paint pouring designs. close-up of it. As the paint drips down the sides, you see a little bit of the white of the canvas. That's natural. It happens when I use white as well, but since I'm using white, you don't notice. But it does happen. And I don't know if it's like maybe had I gessoed this canvas first, maybe it wouldn't be as noticeable. But it doesn't bother me, so. Really liking this color combo. See, you can see what I mean. It just gets a little lighter. Once it's dry, you won't notice it as much. And there's all the copper coming up. So I'll show you close-ups and then I'll pan out. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.